To change a theme, first thing first, you need to open your Google Chrome, and you can see I have the basic Google theme. To change it, you just need to click on Customize Chrome. Here you can see Appearance, and just click this page, and you can see here themes. You can choose from a lot of themes here, like solid color, images, and textures. And if you don't like anything that you are finding here, you can always search on the Chrome Web Store, and here we have a lot more options to choose from, like this one, or anything else that you like. And if you don't like the themes that you are finding here on Chrome Web Store, you can always make your own. It's pretty simple. You just click here on upload image on the themes page, and you select the image that you like, and here you can also customize the border color and the light or the dark options. Thank you a lot for watching, and have a great day.